Losing your job feels like the world just stopped moving. The emails end, the meetings disappear, the routine you built vanishes overnight. But here's the truth. This is not the end of your story. It's a reset button, a chance to rebuild stronger, smarter, and more aligned with who you truly are. Today, we'll go step by step through how to recover after losing your job, not just financially, but mentally, emotionally, and purposefully. Step 1. Accept what happened. The first step is acceptance. You don't need to pretend it didn't hurt. It did. But denial wastes time and energy. Write down what happened, not emotionally, but factually. When, why, and what comes next. This simple act takes power away from fear and gives it back to you. Remember, being fired or laid off doesn't mean you failed. It means you're being redirected. You didn't lose your identity. You lost a job. Your skills, your creativity, and your value are still intact. Step 2. Protect your mental health. After losing a job, your self-esteem takes the biggest hit. That's why your mental health becomes your #1 asset. Create small daily habits that stabilize you. Wake up early, eat healthy, move your body, and limit negative media. Talk to someone, a friend, mentor, or therapist. You're not weak for feeling lost. You're human. What matters is that you don't isolate yourself in silence. Every comeback starts with mental clarity, not panic. Protecting your peace is the first investment in your next chapter. Step 3. Take control of your finances. Money fear is the loudest voice after job loss. The best way to silence it is to face it head-on. Make a list of your savings, expenses, and debts. Create a survival budget. What's essential and what can wait. This is not about cutting joy. It's about buying time. If needed, contact service providers and explain your situation. Most will work with you if you're proactive. Clarity replaces anxiety. When you know your runway, you stop feeling like you're falling. Step 4. Reassess your career direction. Now that you've paused, it's time to reflect. Ask yourself, what kind of work gave me energy? What drained me? You may realize that your last job didn't fit your strengths or values. That's not failure, that's feedback. List your top 3 skills and the impact they've made. Shift your focus from job titles to value creation. You're not just looking for a job, you're designing your next chapter. Step 5. Learn and upgrade. The best way to rebuild confidence is through learning. Pick one new skill that aligns with your future, something practical and in demand. This could be AI tools, digital marketing, public speaking, or leadership training. Use free platforms like YouTube, Coursera, or Skillshare. Dedicate 1 hour a day to growth. Each hour is a vote for your future self. You can't control when the next opportunity comes, but you can control the version of you that meets it. Step 6. Reconnect and network. Opportunity hides inside conversations. Don't disappear. Reconnect with old colleagues and mentors. Send a simple message. Hey, I'm exploring new directions and would love to hear what you've been up to. This isn't begging for help. It's building bridges. Most new jobs or ideas come through relationships, not job boards. Show people your curiosity and growth, not your desperation. Step 7. Start small projects. Don't wait for the perfect plan. Act small now. Start a blog, a YouTube channel, a freelance gig, or a side project. Even if it earns nothing, it builds momentum. Each small win reminds you that you still have power and creativity. Action heals faster than time. Remember, motion creates motivation. Step 8. Reframe the narrative. Change your language because words shape your mind. Don't say, I was fired. Say, I'm in transition. Don't say, I lost everything. Say, I'm rebuilding stronger. The story you tell yourself determines how quickly you rise. Every person you admire has faced rejection, failure, and uncertainty. What makes them different is how they interpreted it.
Step 9. Set a 90-day comeback plan. Now it's time to act with direction. Create a simple 90-day plan. Apply for 3 to 5 jobs per week. Learn one new skill fully. Reconnect with 10 people in your network. Track progress weekly. When you measure your progress, you'll see growth even before results arrive. The plan gives structure, and structure builds stability. Step 10. Believe in the comeback. Every ending carries a beginning. You are not fired, you are freed to find alignment, purpose, and growth. The person you'll become after this will be wiser, calmer, and more intentional. So breathe, stand tall, and start walking forward again. Because your story didn't end, it just got interesting.
Thanks for watching. Remember, growth is a journey, not a race. Stay motivated, stay grounded, and subscribe for more Evergreen Mindset inspiration.